Hello students. In the previous session, we learned all about files. We saw that after shopping, Sahil kept all his stuff systematically where it belongs. Similarly, we can also organize the files on our computers systematically at one place. This place is called a folder. Folders are known as directories, which are used to keep files organized by grouping them at one place. When you create files, you must decide which folder you want to use to store your files. A folder can contain other folders in it. The main folder is called the parent folder. The folders inside the parent folder are called subfolders. Folders and subfolders help us to keep our files organized. Let's see how we can create a folder. We can create a folder at two places. We can create a folder on the desktop and also in any other location besides the desktop. First, let's see how to create a folder on the desktop. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. From the menu, click on the New option. Click on the Folder option from the drop-down menu. This will result in the creation of your folder on the desktop. When we create a new folder on the desktop, it is named as New Folder and allows us to enter the name of the folder. Name the folder and press the Enter key on the keyboard. For example, here our folder is called My Folder. Now that we have learned to create a folder on the desktop, let's see how we can create a folder in another location. These are computer drives. We can create folders here as well. Drives help us to store files and folders on the computer. To create a new folder inside any computer drive, select the computer drive or the location. Click on the New Folder button from the menu bar at the top. Type a name for the new folder and press the Enter key on the keyboard. Now, let's see how we can create a subfolder. We can create a subfolder in two ways. First, let's see how to create a subfolder using a New Folder button. Double-click on the parent folder. Click on the New Folder button from the menu bar at the top. Name the subfolder and press the Enter key on the keyboard. Now let's see how to create a subfolder using the right-click option. Right-click on the blank area of the parent folder. A menu will open before you. Then click on New option. Click on the Folder option from the drop-down menu. The subfolder will be created in the parent folder. Now, let's see how we can open a saved folder. There are two ways to open a folder. First, double-click on the folder and open it. And second, right-click on the folder and click on Open option from the drop-down menu. Suppose you want to change the name of this folder. Let's see how we can do this. We can change the name of any folder in the same way that we change the name of a file. There are three ways to rename a folder. Select the folder and click on the Rename button from the menu bar at the top. Right-click on the folder that you want to rename and then choose the Rename option from the drop-down menu. Select the folder and press the F2 key on the keyboard and rename the folder. We can also delete a folder from the computer. There are 3 ways to delete a folder. Select the folder that you want to delete and click on Delete button from the menu bar at the top. Second, right-click on the folder and click on Delete option from the drop-down menu. And third, select the folder and press the Delete key on the keyboard and the folder will be deleted. In this session, we learned about folders and how to open, save, rename, and delete folders. Thank you.